quick MFG check-in. It's gonna be a crazy couple of weeks. I hope to see y'all on the road. I'm about to head to Tampa, Florida right now. I'll be there until Wednesday or Thursday. I gotta check my schedule. And then I'm flying right from Tampa to Baltimore. We're gonna be tapping in with Carver High School. They're revamping, rebuilding their engineering and manufacturing track. Western High School, an all-girls high school with an engineering and manufacturing track that's popping. We're about to come kick it with them. Poly High School as well, I think, is coming, and we're about to get it cracking, show them about how far they can take these careers that they're already getting certified in, why women and minorities from their areas are needed in our industry, and what they can do with this, you know, how they can get started in their areas, the things that are there for them. I'm crazy excited. So if you in Tampa, Florida, if you in Baltimore, you about to see me, you about to see DJ-O. We're gonna get it cracking. I don't know if we're gonna bring the light shows and the smoke machine. Maybe I'm gonna leave that up to DJ-O. We're gonna see what the school has for us. But it's about to get popping. Again, Tampa, Florida, about to see you. Tampa and St. Pete. And then Baltimore, really excited about those shows. And then on the weekend, on Saturday in Baltimore, we're gonna be aligning with a weekend of welding, aka pick up a trade, put down the guns. Me and Mrs. K are gonna knock this thing out. We about to tag team. Actually, it's more than us. It's gonna be Mrs. K. She gonna be holding down the welding side. And then myself and my dog Adonis, hopefully we can get Danny Hill in here, and we're gonna be holding it down for the CNC side. So we're gonna keep you all the way covered with welding, CNC, all the manufacturing careers, how to get them in Baltimore. There's already 250 people attending, firms signed up, already locked in. We had to turn the event right off because it was cracking so hard. I'm gonna be spending the whole weekend in Baltimore, kicking it with y'all. I'm gonna have a nice fresh tan from Tampa, you dig? We're gonna have the merch outside, and I cannot wait to see y'all, me and DJ-O, in the building, celebrating manufacturing, giving y'all a heads up and a fresh start to life, man, to your new career, to the beginning of the rest of your life. Trades get you paid. Don't forget.